What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadija and on this channel we talk about hair, beauty and lifestyle. If you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our community. In today's video we are back with another wig install from LUVME here, and today we're featuring their 20-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig. This is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package: a goodie bag and a wig cap. And this is our wig for today. It is a 20-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig. This unit is 180% density. It came pre-plucked with the strap on, ready to wear. This is it. This is it. Link for this unit will be down in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the install. Again, this wig is from LUVME here, and this is their 20-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig. It is 180% density. This is it. Came pre-plucked, ready to wear. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a wig cap on. We have our wig cap on, and this is the vibes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, and then we install our wig. But this is what our lace is looking like without foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace. So this is what our lace is looking like with the foundation on. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Again, it came with the strap on for easy install. It came pre-plucked, ready to wear. This is the vibes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Okay guys, so I just put my wig on, and this is what our wig is looking like. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Today I'll be using the Got To Be Glue freezing spray to install my wig. Alright guys, so I just finished gluing my wig. Now I'm just gonna let this dry for around 15 minutes and then we take this off. But again, if you want to get this wig, the link will be in my description. This is a 13x4 20-inch Bodywave wig from LUVME here. So go ahead and make your purchase by clicking the link in my description. I'm just gonna go ahead, let this dry, and then we finish up our wig. So I'll see you guys on the other side. So this is what it's looking like now that I took the strap off. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off and finish up our wig. Guys, so I just took the strap off and this is the vibes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig, but this is the vibes that we're getting. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. The link for this unit will be in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. I'm just gonna use my invisible styling gel to make some very natural baby hair. I'm not gonna make a lot. I'm just gonna make probably like 1 or 2 baby hair, and it's gonna be super natural, super cute. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. Super soft. This is it. Once again, this wig is sponsored by LUVME Hair, and this is their 20-inch 13x4 Bodywave wig. It is 180% density. This is it. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link will be in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from LUVME Hair, their website will also be in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.